Sunfish, specifically referring to the ocean sunfish, or mola mola, are fascinating and unique creatures. They are the largest bony fish species in the world, often reaching impressive sizes and displaying distinctive characteristics. Known for their flat, disc-shaped bodies, sunfish are also recognized for their unusual swimming style, fascinating biology, and their significant role in marine ecosystems. Physical description. Ocean sunfish have a unique body shape that sets them apart from most other fish. Their bodies are laterally compressed, giving them a flattened appearance. Sunfish can grow up to 10 feet long and weigh over 2,200 pounds. The heaviest recorded specimen weighed about 5,070 pounds. They have a large round head with no true tail fin. Instead they have a clavus, which is a rudder-like structure at the rear of their bodies. Their dorsal and anal fins are tall and help propel them through the water. Sunfish typically have a gray, silver, or brownish coloration, though their skin can sometimes display lighter spots. Their color helps them blend into the surrounding waters, providing some level of camouflage. Habitat sunfish are pelagic species, meaning they live in the open ocean rather than in coastal areas. They are found both in tropical and temperate waters. They inhabit depths ranging from the surface to 600 meters, about 2,000 feet. Geographical distribution. Sunfish are widespread, occurring in oceans around the world, including the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. They tend to prefer warmer waters but are known to travel into cooler regions during migrations. Swimming style. Ocean sunfish have a very distinct and somewhat inefficient swimming style. Unlike most fish, they rely on their dorsal and anal fins for propulsion. These fins move in a sculling motion, and the fish often appears to be flopping through the water. Feeding. Sunfish primarily feed on jellyfish and other gelatinous zooplankton, though their diet can also include small fish, squid, crustaceans, and algae. Despite their size, sunfish have small mouths and no teeth, but instead possess a beak-like structure that helps them crush their prey. Symbiotic relationships. Sunfish often host numerous parasites, which can affect their health. To combat this, they are known to visit cleaner fish or even seabirds, allowing them to pick parasites from their skin. Sometimes, sunfish will bask near the surface, allowing birds to land on them and remove these parasites. Basking behavior. Sunfish are known for their peculiar habit of floating sideways at the surface of the water. Scientists believe this behavior allows sunfish to absorb heat from the sun, especially after diving into cooler, deeper waters. Reproduction and life cycle. Sunfish are among the most prolific breeders in the animal kingdom. Females can release up to 300 million eggs at a time, though only a small fraction will survive to adulthood. The exact breeding behaviors of sunfish are still not well understood due to the difficulty of observing them in their natural deep-sea habitats. They likely spawn in the open ocean, and fertilization is external. After hatching, the larvae of sunfish are very small and look nothing like adults. As they grow, they pass through several developmental stages, eventually assuming the flat, round shape characteristic of adult sunfish. Sunfish play an important role in marine ecosystems due to their feeding habits. By preying on jellyfish, they help regulate jellyfish populations, which can otherwise bloom and affect the marine food web. Additionally, as they fall prey to larger predators, such as sharks and orcas, they provide a source of food for apex predators. The ocean sunfish is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. This status is primarily due to human activities, including bycatch. Sunfish are often accidentally caught in fishing nets, particularly by tuna and swordfish fisheries. Due to their size and shape, they can become entangled in fishing gear, leading to injury or death. Marine pollution, especially plastic waste in the ocean, poses a threat to sunfish. They may mistakenly ingest plastic bags, confusing them with jellyfish, their main prey. Climate change, with rising ocean temperatures and shifting currents, may alter the distribution of sunfish, impacting their feeding and breeding patterns. 1. Ocean sunfish hold the record as the heaviest bony fish in the world, with some individuals weighing over 5,000 pounds. 2. Despite their massive size, sunfish hatch from eggs that are only about 2.5 millimeters in diameter, growing rapidly as they mature. 3. Sunfish can dive to depths of over 2,000 feet, where water temperatures are much cooler. After such deep dives, they return to the surface to warm themselves by basking in the sun. 4. Some seabirds, such as seagulls, are known to land on basking sunfish to feed on the parasites that live on the fish's skin. 5. Sunfish are revered in some cultures. For example, in Japan, the ocean sunfish, called manbu or mambo, is admired and appears in various forms of art and storytelling. Ocean sunfish are not only the largest bony fish in the ocean, but also one of the most unique and peculiar creatures in the marine world. Their unusual behavior, fascinating biology, and critical role in maintaining oceanic ecosystems make them a species worth protecting and studying. Despite their vulnerability to human activities, conservation efforts could help ensure that these giants of the sea continue to thrive for generations to come.